Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will begin exercise 7.5 of class 6th. Its first question is write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. It means after doing the addition or subtraction, what will be the result? Okay, so is it the addition or is it the subtraction? That we have to check. A is here. Firstly, you can see we have to find all the partition of the figure are equal or not. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see all are partitioned into 5 equal parts. You can see first portion is 1 is shaded. In second one 2 is shaded, and in the last one 3 is shaded. So how can we get 3? We can get 3 after adding 1 to 2. Okay, this we are doing with the help of numbers, but actually they are in the fraction. Okay, so what will be the operation here? Here we have addition operation. Same here, B is in the partition of circle. 5 parts is there everywhere. You can see first is completely shaded, completely all 5 parts are shaded. In second figure 1 2 3 parts are shaded, but in the last, in the answer figure, only 2 is shaded. So from 5 and 3 how can we get 2? We can get 2 after subtracting 3 from 5. So what will be the operation here? Here is subtraction. C is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 circles. It is the group of things. Okay, 6 is here, 6 is here, 6 is here. In the first one, out of 6, 2 are shaded. In these, how many are shaded? 3. And in the last one, that is the answer, in this, how many are shaded? 5 is shaded. So from 2 and 3, which operation will give us 5? Addition operation will give us 5. So here addition operation. This question you have to only solve in book. Question number 2 is solve. Its A is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. We have to add two fractions. Their denominator are same, so we can do it directly. Same denominator, it means it will come one time only. Then 1 plus 1. Whatever is in the numerator, same we have to write in one fraction. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and denominator 18 as it is. We can also write it into the simplest form, so that 2 and 18 both are coming in the table of 2. So we will divide 2 and 18 both by 2. So 2 will divide from 2 one time and 18 will divide 9 times. Same as here, B is 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Denominator is same, that's why we will write denominator only one time. And 8 plus 3 together will come in one fraction. So that 8 plus 3 is 11 and denominator of 15 will come as it is. C is we have to subtract 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. You can see denominator is same, that's why we are writing it one time togetherly, and the numerator will come together, so that 7 minus 5 is 2 and denominator 7 will come as it is. D is 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. Denominator is same, that's why we are writing it one time, and 1 plus 21 as it is. 1 plus 21 is 22 and 22 as it is. You can see 22 and 22, so we can cut it and it will give us 1. Now next is 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So it will give same denominator, that's why we are writing it only one time. 12 minus 7 will come as it is, so that 12 minus 7 is 5 and denominator of 15 as it is. You can see 5 and 15 both are coming in the table of 5. So we will divide numerator and denominator both by 5. 5 will go one time and 15 will go 3 times. Next is 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Denominator is same, that's why we are writing it one time. 5 by 3 comes as it is. So that 5 plus 3 is 8 and this 8, denominator of 8 will come as it is. So that we can cut 8 to 8, so it will give us 1. Now G is 1 minus 2 by 3. In the book, in the bracket, they given us hint. On the place of 1, we can put 3 by 3. Why? Because when we cut 3 to 3, again we will get 1. So on the place of 1, we have to put 3 by 3. We can put, or we can use different method, but question is given us hint that you can use. So on the place of 1, 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 as it is. Denominator is same, that's why it will comes one time. So that 3 minus 2 as it is. 3 minus 2 is 1 and denominator of 3 as it is here. Now here 1 by 4 and 0 by 4. Denominator is same, that's why it is coming here only one time. And 1 plus 0 is here. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 4 as it is. I is 3 minus 12 by 5. You can see here we have denominator 1. Okay, don't have denominator, that's why here what we have 1. If we are taking LCM of 1 and 5, it will give us 5. So 3 by 1, how can we become 5? It can be become 5 when we multiply 1 by 5. If we are multiplying 1 by 5, so same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So 3 will multiply by 5, it will give us 15. And 12 by 5, already 5 is there, so we will multiply by 1 and 12 will also multiply by 1. So 12 into 1 is 12 and 5 into 1 is 5. So 3 by 1, on the place of 3 by 1, what we have to write? 15 by 5. And on the place of 12 minus 12 by 5, same thing we have to write. Okay, same denominator is there, so it will come for one time only. 15 minus 12 as it is. So 15 minus 12 is 3 and 5 as it is. This will be our answer. Question number 3 is, Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. So Shubham is painting the wall and he painted 2 by 3 part. His sister Madhvi helped and paint 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? So when they both are togetherly paint the wall, how much they paint? So let's see. Shubham painted. Shubham how much painted? Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall. And Madhvi? Madhvi painted how much? Madhvi painted 1 by 3 of the wall. So we have to find how much did they paint together. Together means if they both are working together. So it means Shubham is painted 2 by 3. So here Shubham plus Madhvi. So Shubham fraction is 2 by 3. It will come as it is. Madhvi fraction is 1 by 3. You can see denominator is same, so it will come one time, and 2 plus 1 will comes together. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 as it is. 3 to 3 we can cut and it will give 1. 1 means the complete work is over by together. So the complete wall, it means when they do work together they will finish the work, because 1 we get, 1 is showing the whole thing. Question number 4 is filling the missing fraction. Its A is 7 by 10 minus fill up is equal to 3 by 10. You can see here 7 by 10 denominator is 10 and 3 by 10 also having denominator as 10. It means in the missing fraction denominator is 10. Now how can we identify? So you can see from 7 which number can be subtracted to get 3? Which number can be subtracted to get 3? So let's subtract 3. When you do 7 minus 3 you will get 4. So this 4 you can put here. So 7 minus 4, is it 3? Yes. Is it 3? That's why its answer is 4, because we put here 4. We checked it with the help of 4. B is fill up minus 3 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21. These both are having same denominator. It means in the fill up 21 is also there. Okay. You can see here minus 3 is there. Minus 3. Just see minus 3 is there. Is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. Here we have box. When you send this negative 3 to the opposite side here, so it will comes here, minus will change into the positive. So it will change into positive. So it will give us 8. So let's check. First we have to check that condition is true or not. True or not. So when we are putting here 8. So 8 minus 3, is it 5? Yes, this is absolutely right. That's why we are putting here 8. Now C is fill up minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Same denominator is here. That's why here we have to put 6. Same process we are going to solve. Fill up is there. First number having the numerator as 3 and in the answer we have 3. Here you can see this is in the negative, so it will go opposite side in the addition. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So let's check it. When we are putting here 6, so that 6 minus 3, is it 3? Yes, absolutely right. That's why we are putting here 6. What we have to put here? 6, because we checked it with the help of 6 and we get correct answer. Same D1 last is dash plus 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. You can see both are having same denominator. It means in the fill up same denominator is there. Now you can see here we have fill up plus 5 is equal to 12. Now this time positive 5 is there. So positive opposite is subtraction. So positive 5 will go opposite side in the subtraction. And 12 minus 5 is 7. So let's check with the help of 7. When we are putting 7 here, so that is it 7 plus 5 equal 12? Yes, this is absolutely right. That's why what will come here? 7. Question number 5. This is the last question of the exercise is Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of orange. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? So a basket is there. In the basket oranges are there. So from the total orange from the total orange, Javed given 5 by 7 to someone, and question asked how much is left in the basket. But question, that one thing that question is not given, that total orange, that question is not given. So we know in the previous question we seen when we did Shubham and Madhvi, when they painted the wall, we get answer as a 1, and I said 1 means whole, complete. So total orange can be compared with the help of 1, because one basket is there. In the one basket, from the one basket he is distribute. Okay, so one basket, total orange is considered as 1. So here I am writing here whole. Okay, 1 can be defined as whole. Given orange, how many givens? 5 by 7 given, and we have to find left. What we have to find? Left orange, that we have to find. It can be find left orange can be find total minus given. You can see total is 1 and given is 5 by 7. Here 1 did not have any denominator, that's why I am putting here 1. So that LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. So that first fraction is 1 by 1 and second fraction is 5 by 7. So how can we get 7 here? Here how can we get 7? When we multiply 1 by 7, we will get 7. And if we are multiplying denominator by 7, same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So 1 into 7 is also 7. Here 5 by 7 also we want as a 7. But one thing is there, already 5 by 7 I have 7. So it will be multiplied by 1. If we are multiplying it by 1 in the denominator, same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So 5 into 1 is 5. This we get it. Now on the place of 1 by 1, what we have to put? 7 by 7. And on the place of 5 by 7, we have to put same 5 by 7. Now you can see denominator is same, that's why we are putting here only 1 times 7. And their numerator is 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2 and denominator is 7. So how many are left? Left orange are in the fraction 2 by 7. This is our answer of question number 5. So here we completed our exercise 7.5.